Good evening, everyone. Today we are in Dix Hills and we're standing in front of the house of my most recent client. A couple episodes ago, I promised all of you that I was going to bring you by and allow you to hear firsthand what it was like working with me as a client's realtor. Today we're here in front of one of my really good friends from college, and it turns out that we went to contract here in the same week that they got married. When we first started looking at homes, this was one of the first houses we looked at. We made an offer and we weren't able to make a deal. We searched for a few more weeks. With a lease expiring and a wedding date coming up, we realized that we really had to make a move. It turned out that this house was actually the right house for them all along. We came back, we made a strong offer, and luckily we were able to make a deal. We ran into a series of issues while we were in contract, and we worked through each of them perfectly. Now I want to introduce you to my client and let you hear from them firsthand what it was like.
Now.
Hey, what's up, man? Hey!
If you get to hear me now, least uses a song to speak out your mind now. And don't let it slide, you're not always right.
Alright guys, we're inside now, and this is my really good friend Benji and his wife Elise, and I'm going to let them tell you about what their experience was like.
So as you may know from what Shahzad told you, we were looking for a house in Dix Hills. We searched high and low on the internet, we went in person and looked at a million houses. But really what hit home was the first house we saw, which is what we ended up buying. And the entire process with Shahzad was just incredibly easy. Communication was excellent, he was always available, 10 o'clock at night answering stupid questions and helping us understand as first-time home buyers what we're dealing with. And he helped us secure the house of our dreams, and now we're living it.
Yeah. And the entire process was really, really easy. And from everybody we spoke to, buying your first house is not supposed to be easy, but Shahzad really made it painless. And he really supported the decisions that we were trying to make, and he saw where we wanted to be, and he got us there. Going into this, like Benji said, this is the first house we looked at, and everyone said we were crazy when we said this is the house. And the only person who didn't was Shahzad. And talk about, timing a couple of months later, not only did we get a lower price than originally, we were able to close seamlessly, and it was just really a dream come true. And it's the house of my dreams, and it's amazing, and it wouldn't have been possible without him.
And to sum it up, use this guy. He's a good guy.
I appreciate it. Thank you guys. Thank you very much. So you heard it here first, and I'm going to show you around a little bit. This beautiful kitchen, the backyard. They just got it cleaned up today. We'll take a walk around.
If you get to hear me now, if you get to hear me now, least uses a song to speak out your mind.